What's unique about my approach to financial education is that it's simply personal. Everything that I teach the students, I make sure that if I was sitting in their position, that it would be something that I would want to hear. Also, the thing that we really enjoyed the most last year was the concert that we had, Funding the Future, came in and they did a rock concert. And following that rock concert was then a multimedia presentation about various topics, everything from student loans to debts. Also, the students really do enjoy that financial football and that financial soccer, and we're looking forward to other great things that Visa has to offer. In order to improve financial literacy across the country, what's needed is just simply implementation. Everything is there. And I'm very proud to be in a state where economics and personal finance is a graduation requirement for all students in the state of Virginia. I hope to take away from the conference, one, making connections with people in other states, and learning about other things that teachers are doing and stealing some of their ideas and maybe actually being able to implement one of the programs next school year.